Example, based on the same statement, we find integration of sine cube x into cos x. Sine cube x, it is f of x raised to n. Then f of x derivative, sin x derivative is cos x. So this is ready for integration. Okay, I think before I go for this example I need to solve, sorry. It is integration of sine square x into cos x. Okay, so f of x raised to n into derivative of sin x is cos x. So ready for substitution. After seeing the question, you have to take a judgment. This question can be solved by substitution. So hagidre, yen put marona? Should I say put cos x is equal to t? Should I say put sin square x is equal to t? Or should I say sin x is equal to t? So proper judgment. Theorem will give you an idea. Even you can try cos x ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, sin square x ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ put ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. But ಎಲ್ಲ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ I, if it is ready to integrate, if I is ready to integrate, then your substitution is correct. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇನ substitution claim ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, everything is in, I should say it is waste. So theorem situation will give you proper idea. But ಕೆಲವೊಂದು questions ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, even I can say this can be taken as put, even I can say this can be taken as put. The ultimate aim of putting or substitution is whatever the modification we have done, last I what we have left out, that part should be ready to integrate. When I say it is ready to integrate, again back to standard functions only. What is standard function? X raised to n. What else I should say? 1 by x, e raised to x, a raised to x, secant square, cosecant square. The ready-made what we have standard functions, hook or crook, you have to reduce it and then claim for integration. That's the only method left out for you. There's no asset chain rule, which was a very much flexible rule. We had it in derivative, but integration, sorry to say, we don't have any asset chain rule anta flexibility ಇರುವಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು. That's a challenging part here. Okay, so let's begin here and finally we have come to a conclusion. Put sin x is equal to t is the only option. Derivative, I find cos x with respect to x can be replaced by dt. So ಇದನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಐ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ sin x t, but t ಅಲ್ಲ, t square, left out with t square. Sorry, t square. So we find cos x with respect to x is replaced by dt. Then ready to integrate, we are left out with t cube by 3 plus c. t ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, replace it by sin x. I find sin cube x t replaced by sin x, power cube kept as it is, whole divided by 3 plus c should be the answer. Similarly, I'm sure you can try for this question also now. Put sin x is equal to t, cos x with respect to x dt. ಉಳಿಯೋದು integration of t raised to 3. Integration of t raised to 3 with respect to t. And your answer is going to be sin raised to 4x by 4 plus c. Solve this question. Don't write the answer straight away. You have to solve all these steps and then, okay, this theorem, this property, this theorem what we are discussing, it is not to be applied straight away numerical part. You have to follow all the steps and conclude the answer. Except the first one, linear. That is the only theorem, that's the only rule which is taken as granted. Okay, now what about this? ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ x square minus 2x plus 3 ಇದೆ. ಇವ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. What's differentiation of this? 2x minus 2. Try to imagine. 2x, derivative I'm asking you. Differentiation of this, 2x minus 2. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು x minus 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. You have to start imagining. And then balance for substitution. So I find here the question, integration of x square minus 2x plus 3 whole raised to 5 into x minus 1. I find ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ x minus 1 is 1, which I cannot balance. Okay, one more option. Should I say x square minus 2x plus 3 whole raised to 5 is equal to t? ಹಾಗೇನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 5x square minus 2x plus 3 whole raised to 4 into differentiation of this, the very lengthy procedure and you can't balance it also. All those terms are not available. So proper judgment, whether this or this or the whole term or the whole term, which is never possible. Okay? So out of this option, you have to properly decide with a proper observation that this term derivative is available. So only this bakra can be taken here for substitution. So put x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to t. Differentiation, I find 2x minus 2 is equal to dt by dx. 2 constant, we are left with x minus 1 with respect to x is equal to dt. So x minus 1 with respect to x half transferred, we find 1 by 2 dt. Yellanu kuda vapas I vada haknu. Still I am not confident what I had done. No, still I am not confident. Let me put it back in I. And let me see what happens to I. If the I is ready to integrate under stand function, then all the steps what I had done is correct. Otherwise, waste. So let us check it back. I is equal to, idre mein gamna irle. I is equal to, this is t raised to 5. Integration of t raised to 5. Okay, integration of t raised to 5. What about x minus 1 with respect to x? X minus 1 with respect to x is half. Constant na agdi flexible tolri. Half kept out. If you want, you can write it here also. Half dt. Half is outside. We're left out with integration of t raised to 5 with respect to t. Is it ready to integrate? Is it ready to integrate? Stand function. At this moment, you find it's very, I should say, okay, ready to integrate andaga. Yes, it is ready andaga. Whatever steps you have done, whatever the efforts you have done is really good. So, let's go for the integration here. But illige integrate agilla. Integration ago one step alle. Adre a step tarbekala. Alle neevu kashtapadtira. So, I was here. What's integration of t raised to 5? It is t raised to 6. Denominator 6. 1 by 2 kept as it is. Integrate I to plus c. So, now ishtike bidongilla. We find here denominator 12. That is 1 by 12. 6 2s are 12. So, t replace it back. T vapas takombidi. X square minus 2x plus 3 raised to 6. T raised to 6. 6 2s are 12 plus c. This is the final answer. Okay. Now, this question you can give a pause to the video and you can try for this question. Nodi. Sin inverse x is there. What is differentiation of sin inverse x? What is differentiation of sin inverse x? Denominator note better. Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Your derivative illa idare f dash of x. Your derivative 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Function raised to n. Function raised to n into other derivative. Is the same situation here. Are you getting it? U derivative 1 upon illidare andamre ivrenne nanu substitution anta claim madkobeku. Again I can ask you a question. Should I say sin inverse x is equal to t? Will it help us? Next option. Sin inverse x whole square is equal to t. Will it help us? One more option. Root of 1 minus x square is equal to idannu t tagondre nam ivrena replace akkara? 1 upon root of 1 minus x square togolla, t and togolla, or ella term t and togolla. Okay, think about it. Amongst all the option, first option, second option, third option, fourth 1 upon, another fourth option, fifth option, is purti term t. That is highly impossible. Around the, whatever just now I had guessed it, 4 to 5 options. Out of that, one proper situation you have to decide and you have to go for claiming of that in such a way that all the terms should be reduced back to standard function. That's the only game which you have to play here. Okay. So I was here put sin in. Finally we have decided sin inverse x is equal to t. And then derivative. Differentiation you have to be perfect. Don't take an excuse for differentiation here. Okay. At least formula I am asking you. So differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square is equal to dt by dx na dx transfer ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎರಡು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in the question of I, so that I should get reduced. Okay, so let's come back. I is equal to ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ, sin inverse x is t square 1 upon ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 upon root of 1 minus x square into dx is dt. So dt ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ತೆಗೆದು dt ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. So ಉಳಿಯೋದು I is now finally what is I? I is actually integration of t square. With lot of efforts, we have reduced the term to t square with respect to t. Now ready to integrate? Yes, it is ready to integrate. So what we are left out? It is t cube by 3 plus c. Integrate ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು plus c. t ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It is to be replaced. We find sin inverse x whole cube by 3 plus c is the answer. Correct? Yeah. So solve this question and shortly I'll go for few more numerical sums. But before I go for few more numerical sums, let me go for the second result. That is one more theorem which I gave the result. That is the integration of f dash of x upon f of x with respect to x is nothing but log of mod f of x plus c. Let's go for the proof part for this. I have taken it here. So integration of f dash of x upon f of x, here they say that put denominator is equal to t. Nodi, put f of x to t. 1 upon f of x ಅಲ್ಲ, 1 upon f of x ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಬರೀ f of x ಅನ್ನ t ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ f of x t ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are left out with differentiation of f of x is f dash of x with respect to x dt. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ I becomes f dash of x dx is dt, denominator properly balance what is numerator and properly balance what is denominator. ನಾನು 1 upon ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬರೇ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬರೇ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಟಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ n is equal to -1 ಕೇಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ -1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. So that's why I can put f of x is equal to t. So we are left with integration of dt upon t. So is it ready to integrate? Yes, the term is ready to integrate because we know integration of 1 by x with respect to x is, what's the answer? Log mod x plus c. And therefore I should say log of mod of t plus c. t replace ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ವಾಪಸ್ಸನ್ನ, t replace ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೋಣ. So we are left with log of mod of f of x. Log mod of f of x plus c should be the answer. Okay. Now based on this only, 4 important term, that is integration of tan x pending ಆಗಿತ್ತು, integration of cot x ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, cosec x ಹಾಗೆ sec x were not ready to integrate. ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಈ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ henceforth we have to remember. So integration of tan x can be done provide if I'll go for this result. ಈ theorem ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ this theorem will definitely help us to integrate tan x. This theorem will definitely help us to integrate cot x, integrate sec x, integration of cosec x is possible now. And definitely I would like to formula list ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ integration of tan x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Integration of tan x we are left out with r is equal to, it is integration of tan x. So tan function ಗೆ reduce ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So tan can be taken as sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ something special I find. Differentiation of cos x ಏನು ನೋಡಿ. I am asking for differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus is okay. Sin I can balance. Constant I can balance. Function ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಂತ ಇವ್ರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತೋಳಿಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ sin x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ cos x. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ cos x ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 1 by cos x ಇದೆ, which I cannot balance. ಆದ್ರೆ cos x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇವರು, denominator's derivative is numerator. This is important. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ put cos x is the target. Put cos x is equal to t. So we are left out with differentiation of cos x. I find minus sin x with respect to x is dt. ಇದನ್ನೇ substitution ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ let's see what happens to I. Is it ready to integrate with whatever the modification I done? If it is ready to integrate, okay. If ready ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ let's come back. It's not possible. We have to think about some other method. That's the only option. So proper situation, proper claiming is very important here. So we left it with I is equal to, I should say, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ, sin x with respect to x, sin x with respect to x, balance ಮಾಡೋಣ, minus dt. Denominator cos x is t, denominator t. So we are left out with minus constant outside. We have integration of dt by t. Minus is outside. So minus kept outside. We have integration of 1 by t. That is log mod t plus c. Minus log mod t plus c. Okay. Now t will be replaced back. So I should say it is I is equal to, we find minus log of mod cos x t replaced back plus c is the answer. There is no doubt about this. But log hindgade normally now minus na idalla. There is no harm if you are practiced, if you are used to minus log x ಅಥವಾ minus log mod cos x plus c ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ there is no harm. But log ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಡಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ let me give you the clarification here. See, whenever we have, this is minus log mod of I should say we have cos x plus c. So nothing is there, I should say 0, isn't it? So nothing is there, I can balance it by 0. So 0 can also be taken as log 1. Isn't it? Something special we find. And this term is kept as it is. I should say we have, okay, 0 can be taken as log 1 minus log of mod cos x. Now again I find something special in the log result. We find log m minus log n can be taken as log of m by n. Isn't it? This is a theorem in the logarithm. We have already done it. So hagidre this can be taken as log the whole term. Leave this constant. This log m minus log n can also be taken as log 1 denominator we have cos x and the same mod plus c. So this can be further simplified to log of 1 by cos x can be taken as secant x plus c. So let's have a common conclusion. See, whenever I find log minus log x ittu andre note to be remembered, okay, minus log x is always taken as plus log, but take the reciprocal of this is 1 by x. This is 1 by x. Minus log x is henceforth to be remembered as log 1 by x. Yakandre log 1 by x andre enaitu log 1 minus log x. Log 1 answer is 0. 0 minus log x. So minus log x were left out. Okay, fine. To be remembered, minus log x is henceforth log of reciprocal of this. The same result I used it here. Minus log mod cos x. I have balanced the minus sign with log of reciprocal of this cos x is sec x plus c. So henceforth to be remembered. Okay, here I have given a note for you. You can just make a note of this. And let's have a conclusion. To be remembered. Integration of tan x. Inimele integration of tan x illa anta anbedi. Integration of tan x is there. Integration of secant square x is there. Integration of sec x into tan x. Taned functions ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಮೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Shortly I will ask you to add this formula in the list. So we have integration of tan x is log mod sec x plus c. Okay. So one way to justify. Inno one option ide nodi. Ide theorem anna or anta kodta idani. If you are used to, if this is comfortable, you can go for this proof. Ee proof an example kelalla, but ee result matra ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋ numerical sums ಅಲ್ಲಿ this result is badly required. Okay. But one more justification I had tried to, apart from the theorem, I had tried to give here. See, integration of tan x is there. So tan x ಗೆ what I have done here is numerator I balance with multiply by sec and balance it by sec. Multiply by sec and balance it by sec. So when I'm multiplying it by sec and balancing by sec here, what situation I'm doing? Sec x derivative. I repeat, differentiation of d by dx of sec x. I know it is sec x into tan x. Correct? So, ಈ sec x into tan x ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲಿ, denominator sec x ಇರಲಿ, I am trying to create a situation of f dash of x upon f of x. Denominator's derivative is here. That's why I have multiplied by sec x and balanced it by sec x. F dash of x upon f of x. So just by multiplying, I am creating the situation. Illa andre idu kuda barutte. It is same as what we have done here. Primary bandu alli nanu denominator came here. It is also f dash of x upon f of x. And back to them. So here one more option. There are many options here in trigonometry. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು questions ಗೆ 7 to 8 methods are there. It depends how you want to think, how you want to modify that I, and everything should be reduced to ready to integrate for standard functions only. So I tried it here by multiplying, and definitely I would like to say put denominator is equal to t. So that we left out with sec x into tan x with respect to x is equal to dt. So we have I is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮು ಕೂಡ dt ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೆ denominator we are left out with t. Denominator. So we have integration of 1 by t. What's 1 by t? Integration of 1 by t is log mod t plus c. T replaced back. We have log mod sec x plus c should be the answer. So either this way you can remember or this way you can remember. Okay, but ಎರಡೂರ ಒಳಗೂನು I don't find any difference in this. The main was numerator is derivative of denominator, and this itself gave us the result log mod f of x. Log mod this theorem, log mod f of x, and therefore I had the result denominator cos x, it's minus log mod cos x, which ultimate gave log sec x, mod sec x you can say, or balance with this. So remember this result, and both the methods you copied in your notes. Finally this conclusion. Now let's move on for the cot x, integration of cot x. I can take it as cos x by sin x, and sin x derivative is cos x. ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮೇಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. Okay, let's move on for this. I find cos x by sin x. I'm saying put the sin x denominator is equal to t. So left out with cos x with respect to x. Cos x with respect to x is equal to dt. Okay. ನೀವು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಪುಟ್ cos x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. Okay. Definitely that should be a doubt, and let me raise a question from my side only. Put cos x to t ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, okay, with respect to x is dt. But I ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, I can you balance ನೋಡಿ, I ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, I we have integration of cos x, denominator sin x ಇದೆ with respect to x ಇದೆ. ಈ cos x ನ t ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ sin x into dx ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 1 by sin x ಮೇಲೆ dx ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು cos x is okay. ಇದೇನಿದೆಲ್ಲ 1 by sin x with respect to dx ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ sin x with respect to x ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ನೀವು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. So I'm sure you people are convinced with the explanation what I gave with one more possibility. And let's move on for denominator is equal to t. So we have cos x with respect to x, numerator balanced. Put ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. In what way? In which way? For the reduced standard function ಗೆ reduce ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Then your put is good. So cos x with respect to x is dt. So we are left with I is equal to, we have integration of numerator is dt, denominator is t, ready to integrate. So we find log mod t plus c, we find log mod sin x plus c should be the answer to be remembered. Okay, or one more option. Okay, cot definitely I would like to go for cosec, and if you are multiplied by cosec and balance it by cosec, idu differentiation of cosec x. What is d by dx of cosec x? Is minus cosec x into cot x. Isn't it? Differentiation. So definitely denominator is equal to t. Put denominator is equal to t. We are left with minus cosec x into cot x is equal to dt. So dx is replaced. So numerator minus 1 by t dt. ಉಳಿಯೋದು minus log mod t minus log mod cosec x minus log x to be taken as, just I mentioned, no? To be taken as log of reciprocal. So minus log cosec x to be taken as plus log of reciprocal of 1 by cosec x sin x plus c. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cot x is log mod sin x plus c. Integration of tan x is log mod sec x plus c should be the answer. Okay, to be remembered, and shortly you're going to add this. Now let's move on for what about integration of sec x? Integration of sec x 1 by cos ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ it's not balanced. We have to remember this method, multiply it by sec x plus tan x, balance it by sec x plus tan x. To be remembered. Not easy to guess. Okay, so everything has been done for you. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಮ್ಮು ಕೂಡ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೇವಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ, ನಿಮ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So what requires here is your sincere efforts are required to understand, to absorb the results properly, and every question ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನ right from beginning what you have done ಅವನ್ನೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Then let me see how you'll get stuck in the integration process. ನೀವು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಇವೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನ ಹೊಳ್ಳ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ which I am doing it right now. But ನೀವೊಂದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅದು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. You'll definitely enjoy this topic. Okay, so multiply it by sec x plus tan x and balance it by sec x plus tan x. So denominator is equal to t. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. ಇವರು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದಾರ sec x into tan x plus secant square. So this is a situation of, by multiplying it, we are actually creating a situation of f dash of x upon f of x. That is, numerator is derivative of denominator. Okay, so I was here. Put sec x plus tan x is equal to t. Differentiation of sec x into tan x, differentiation of tan x is secant square with respect to x equal to dt. So ಇದರೊಳಗೆ sec x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು tan x plus secant x with respect to x can be easily replaced by t. So this modification created this situation. This theorem says put denominator is equal to t, and we are fulfilled with all the requirements. I can be made to integrate. So let's come back here. I is equal to, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮು ಕೂಡ including dx ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು dt. Denominator sec x plus tan x is t, denominator t. So everything has reduced for integration of 1 by t. So we are left out with log mod t plus c. We have log mod of t replaced back. Sec x plus tan x plus c should be the answer. So the integration of sec x as log mod of sec x plus tan x plus c should be the answer. To be remembered. Okay? Fine. So can you guess for cosec x now? You have to try for this. You have to multiply it by, remember, cosec x minus cot x le multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, and we get it balanced with the cosec x minus cot x. So here we find, put denominator cosec x minus cot x is equal to t. So we find differentiation of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x minus, kept as it is, differentiation of cot x, another minus which will give us plus cosec square x is equal to dt by dx. Let's take cosec x common here. We are left with cosec x common. We are left with minus cot x plus cosec x, which we find here. So these all terms including dx can be replaced by dt, which is f dash derivative of denominator. Okay, so I was here. cosec x into everything, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. I ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. cosec x minus cot x is t. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮು ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಡಿ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಡಿ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಐನ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1/t ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So it's ready to integrate and we find log mod t plus c. So log mod of, we find t replaced by, we find cosec x minus cot x plus c. So what is integration of cosec x now? Log mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c. What is integration of sec x? Integration of sec x is log mod of sec x plus tan x plus c. Nodi ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ what is integration of tan x? Just now we discussed. Integration of tan x is log mod of sec x plus c. Sec ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇ. ಹಾಗೆ integration of cot x sin ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is log mod of sin x plus c. Got it? 4 results to be added in the list of formulas. Okay, last video, I think in the first video I had asked you to leave some page, isn't it? First page ಒಳಗನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ, and I'm sure you people have left it. Okay, I find it here. So let's add all the results. Okay, so last class ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಸಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. What's integration of tan x? Just now we discussed. Add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, log mod of sec x plus c. What's integration of cot x? You find log mod of sin x plus c. What's integration of sec x? I should say it is log mod of ಇದು sec x plus tan x. Okay, plus c. Cosec c ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ. It is log mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c to be remembered. So integration of sin is available, cos is available, tan is available, cot is available, sec is available, cosec is. Apart from this, we have secant square, cosecant square, sec x into tan x, cosec x into cot x, e raised to x, a raised to x, x raised to n, 1 by x, and few inverse trigonometric function results also are available as standard functions. That's why in the first video only I gave you ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, these are all a contribution of substitution method and formulas to be remembered. Got it? Shortly, next I'll go for trigonometric ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. Okay, how to go for integration of sin square x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, how to go for, I shortly discuss. ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is overall I should say summary of your integration part. Indefinite is the process where you are actually learning integration. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಸರಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ and properly every line you have to remember here. You can't give an excuse. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. Just absorb every line you have to remember, and your sincere efforts are required. Definitely integration will be much interesting for you people. You are going to enjoy this chapter. Okay, in my next video I'll go for few more numerical sums on these theorems. Only numerical sums let me cover in my next video. Okay.